Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So
before I start, I do want to apologize for the creases that you see in my backdrop. I will improve. I will iron them out because they have kind of creased in, so apologies, please ignore, and they won't be there for the following videos.
Today's video, I did this smoked out wing with a red lip. This is such a classy look. You can literally wear it to your job, on a night out, on a date. It is so beautiful. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
To prime, I'm taking the Catrice Fresh Up Primer and I'm massaging this into my face. For my foundation, I'm taking the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. First, I'm applying it with the paddle brush and then I'm blending it out with a sponge. As my concealer, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and I'm placing this on my under eyes as well as my inner corner, and I'm blending it out with my sponge. To set everything in place, I'm using my PS Rice Powder and I'm placing this on my under eyes as well as my smile lines and my forehead. To set the rest of my face, I'm using the Bourjois Healthy Mix Powder. For my eyebrows, I'm first filling them in with the Essence Superlast Pencil Pomade and then I am setting them with the Catrice Brow Colorist Gel. To set my lids, I'm taking the shade Jasper from the Kylie Bronze palette and I'm creating a base for the rest of the eye look. Then I'm going into the shade Topaz and I'm placing this in my crease, blending the shade up into the transition area. I am building the shade little by little. With the same Topaz shade, I'm placing that on my lower lash line. The star of the show is the Inglot 77 Gel Liner, which I'm going to use to create a fairly thick wing. Then I'm going into the shade Obsidian and I'm slowly blending out this wing for a more smoky and grungy effect. To clean up the wing, I'm using my Wet n Wild concealer with an angled brush. I'm prepping my lashes with the Baker Mascara before applying the PS 3D Angel Lashes. Then I'm taking the Nicka K Brown Liner and I'm placing this on my waterline and bringing it down to my lower lash line, and I'm blending it out with the Topaz shade from the Kylie palette. And then I'm going back into the Baker Mascara and I'm coating my lower lashes. I'm taking the Catrice contouring palette and I'm contouring my cheekbones as well as my jawline. To bronze up my skin, I'm using the Catrice Sun Glow Bronzer and I'm placing this on my cheeks, my forehead as well as my double chin. For blush, I'm taking the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Rosé Champagne. I am then taking my Morphe highlighter in Spark and I am highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow as well as underneath my brows and my inner corner. For lips, I'm going with this stunning red combo. As my lip liner, I am taking the PS lip liner and I'm lining and overlining my lips. And for my lipstick, I'm going into the Catrice Matte Lipstick in the shade Rouge La La.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm actually really loving it. I'm loving the smoked out wing with the shadow. It is just really nice. I think I'm gonna wear this look quite a lot because it is easy, It is quick. You could wear lashes with it like I am wearing now, or you don't have to wear lashes if you don't want to. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.